are you doing?
We're talking about animals.
Okay, what kind of animals?
Let's talk about a leopard first.
A leopard?
A leopard. Yeah.
Okay.
Terry saw one at the zoo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. With my friends, mine and Kayla.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Only one table like this.
Yeah. So what'd you do at the fair?
I got a dolphin, a squeezer, and a balloon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you go on any rides?
Yeah. Not the Ferris wheel.
Why not the Ferris wheel?
But the Ferris wheel is fun.
Yeah, but you didn't go on the Ferris wheel.
It didn't. It's scary.
It's not scary.
Oh.
Did you ride any horses?
Yes.
Some ponies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A brown one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So awesome.
Yeah, brown is my favorite.
It is?
Yeah.
So what else do you want to talk about?
I'll talk about something at the farm.
What's on the farm?
A
What is?
cow.
Are pigs on the farm?
No.
Oh.
Pigs live at the mud.
Pigs live in the mud?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
Hey.